Welcome to the channel. Today, you're about to explore 150 wooden planter box ideas designed for gardens, balconies, patios, and outdoor spaces of all sizes. Wooden planter boxes are more than containers for plants. They are a powerful design element that shapes the atmosphere of your space. In this video, you'll discover a wide variety of planter styles, from simple DIY boxes to modern, rustic, vertical, and decorative designs. Whether you're working with a large garden or a small balcony, wooden planters offer flexibility, warmth, and natural beauty. As you watch, pay attention to how different designs solve different problems, saving space, organizing plants, adding height and structure, and creating visual balance. Some planter boxes are minimalist and clean. Others are bold, rustic, or highly decorative. Each one serves a purpose, both functional and aesthetic. These ideas are perfect if you enjoy DIY woodworking projects, want to improve your outdoor decor, are planning a garden upgrade, or simply love creative design with natural materials. Throughout the video, you'll see planters for flowers, herbs, vegetables, and decorative plants. You'll notice how wood textures, shapes, and finishes change the overall look. Even simple wooden boxes can look premium with the right proportions and layout. Take your time. Observe the details. Imagine how each idea could work in your own space. If you're a beginner, you'll find many easy projects that require basic tools. If you're experienced, you'll get inspiration for custom designs and advanced layouts. And if you love garden ideas, woodworking, and outdoor inspiration, make sure to subscribe and stay connected. Let's explore these 150 wooden planter box ideas and get inspired to create a beautiful outdoor space.